Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very important and practical topic which is oral presentation. In our academic and professional life, we often need to speak in front of others, whether in classrooms, meetings, or seminar. Many students feel nervous while speaking, but with the right techniques, anyone can become a confident speaker. In this lecture, we will learn what an oral presentation is, its type, structure, and some useful tips to improve your speaking skills. So, let's begin our lecture. An oral presentation is a spoken form of communication in which a person presents ideas, information, or arguments to an audience. It is widely used in classroom, seminars, meetings, and professional settings. Effective oral presentations combine clear speech, organized content, and confident delivery. Objectives of oral presentations: to inform the audience about a topic, to persuade or convince listener, to explain ideas clearly, to develop communication and confidence skill. Types of oral presentation. Number 1, informative presentation. It provides facts, for example, climate change. Number 2, persuasive presentation. It aims to convince, for example, importance of education. Number 3, demonstrative presentation. It shows how to do something, for example, using a tool. Number 4, narrative presentation. It tells a story or personal experience. Structure of an oral presentation. Number 1, introduction. Greet the audience. Introduce yourself and your topic. State the purpose. For example, good morning everyone. Today I will talk about the importance of reading. Number 2, body. Present main point clearly. Use examples, facts, or explanation. Organize ideas logically, that is, beginning, middle, end. Number 3, conclusion. Summarize key points and with a strong closing statement. For example, in conclusion, reading improves knowledge and imagination. Thank you. Key features of effective oral presentation. Number 1, clarity. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Number 2, confidence. Maintain proper eye contact and good posture. Number 3, organization. Follow a structured format. Number 4, engagement. Use examples, questions, or visuals. Number 5, voice modulation. Vary tone to avoid monotony. Now, use of visual aids, charts, slides, pictures, or videos. Make presentation more interesting and understandable. Avoid overcrowding slides with the text. Now, do's and don'ts. Practice before presenting. Speak loudly and clearly. Use simple language. Maintain proper eye contact. Do not read directly from notes. Avoid speaking too fast. Do not use difficult vocabulary unnecessarily. Avoid lack of preparation. Common problems in oral presentation: nervousness or stage fear, poor organization, lack of practice, weak voice, or unclear pronunciation. Let's see some tips to improve oral presentation skills. Practice regularly. Record yourself and evaluate. Get feedback from others. Improve vocabulary and pronunciation. Sample topics for practice: importance of education, role of technology in modern life, effects of social media, climate change, women empowerment. Oral presentation is an essential skill for academic and professional success. With proper preparation, practice, and confidence, anyone can become an effective speaker. So, students, today we have learned about oral presentation, its meaning, type, structure, and important techniques. Remember, confidence comes with practice. The more you speak, the better you become. Do not be afraid of making mistakes, they are part of learning. I encourage all of you to practice speaking in front of a mirror or with your friends to improve your presentation skills. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Take care of yourself and keep learning.